Hello everyone, I am René Carraz from Toyo University and Beta CNRS in France.
And I'm Văn Thiên Nguyễn from University of Tokyo. Together, we study how scientific discoveries move from academic research to technological innovation.
This project is supported by a Japan Society for the Promotion of Science, JSPS. This project focuses on patent paper pair, or PPP, case where the same research result appears both at the scientific article and at the patent. This pair makes visible the moment when science meets technology. A famous illustration is the discovery of CRISPR-Cas9 by Nobel Prize winner Jennifer Doudna and her team at Berkeley. CRISPR-Cas9 discovery led to a revolutionary gene editing technologies that allows scientists to cut and modify DNA with remarkable precision and efficiency. As a result of their research, they filed for a provisional patent in May 2012 and published their paper in Science less than a month later in June 2012. Therefore, the same breakthrough exists as the paper and as the patent, a perfect patent paper pair, PPP. Our research extends this logic to a national scale, looking at how Japanese university and public research institute translate scientific knowledge into patent. In our Scientometrics study, we developed the first open and large-scale PPP dataset for Japan. The datasets cover 115 universities and 22 public research institutes, each with at least one US patent between 2004 and 2018. Using PatentsView for patent and OpenAlex for publication, we assembled around 11,000 patents and 650,000 papers linked to these institutions. From this, we generated 500,000 candidate matches, potential PPP, patent paper pairs, to be evaluated by our model.
We score each candidate patent paper pair using 4 criteria. First, inventor-author overlap. At least one person appears in both documents. Second, word overlap. Share terms in title and abstracts. Third, semantic similarity, computed with expert embeddings. And fourth, citation overlap. Share non-patent references. To train the model, we manually validated 722 pairs, half true and half false. We also combined feedbacks from 90 researchers and manually checked 600 random cases. Our logistic regression model reached an F1 score of 0.80, showing strong balance between precision and recall.
When applied to the full dataset, the model identified around 17,000 high-confidence patent paper pair. PPP, we are confident they are an actual match. Most PPPs occur in material science, chemistry, and physics, followed by biology. The leading institutions are the University of Tokyo, Kyoto University, Tohoku University, and AIST.
The statistical results show that 2 most predictive features are citation overlap, having common citation, and word overlap, having identical words between patent and paper's abstracts. The inventor score, having as many identical authors and inventor, also play an important role. By contrast, semantic similarity, also conceptually useful, is not statistically significant on its own. This tells us that shared references and shared vocabularies are the strongest signals that a paper and a patent describe the same research project.
As a next step, in a working paper, we compare our Japanese focus model with 2 major international approaches, Marx and Scharfmann 2024 and Wang et al. 2025. Even within the same 2004-18 period, the overlaps are very small. Only 168 pairs in common with Marx and Scharfmann and 425 with Wang and al. That's less than 3% of our original 17,000 Japanese pair, showing that each method captures a different dimension of the science-technology interface.
The reason lies in the methods. For example, Marx and Scharfmann used self-plagiarism, long identical word sequences between paper and patent text, as one criteria for matching, which highlights exact reuses. Our approach captures more subtle links, where the scientific and legal text describe the same invention in different words. Wang et al., by contrast, emphasize inventor networks and abstract similarity on a global scale. Together, these models complement each other, but ours is the first to be statistically validated for Japan academic context.
This project, funded by a JSPS grant-in-aid funding, demonstrates how open science and machine learning can work together to trade the flow of knowledge from universities to industry.
Our dataset and code are publicly available for reuse and validation on GitHub. By sharing this open data, we hope to encourage further research on how scientific discoveries like DODA CRISPR breakthrough travel from papers to patent and from science to innovation.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.